It's really important when you're starting to co-design with children that you build relationships with them. And whether you're going to have a years-long partnership or a day-long partnership, it's very important to establish a trusting relationship up front.
When a kid comes into a co-design situation, many times they don't believe that their ideas are really going to amount to anything. They think this is an exercise. Building trust that I can hear you and you can hear me, and that I'm not going to sit here and watch and take notes. I'm going to be here in conversation and in dialogue and in partnership with you.
All co-designers, adults and children, need to be equal, and there needs to be comfort between all co-designers so they can share, critique, challenge, bounce back and forth ideas. So establishing a relationship with children is the first and most important thing that all adult co-designers need to focus on.
There are a lot of purposeful things that we do to build relationships in co-design teams. One of those is we all go by our first names.
Things like have a snack together, sit on the floor together, listen to some music,
Grab a marker and start drawing on the mat. And as children start drawing on the floor, on the mat, we ask them questions, we share about our own daily lives.
just kind of hanging out together in a way that is not, we're getting into the meat of designing, or I am your teacher and we're learning something.
Building relationships with children and adults on the team allows us the freedom and the space to be able to design something impactful.
And the more that you can get to know each other, the faster, the better, the more elaborative your design possibilities and your experiences can be.